a cube has an edge length of 68 inches. A solid sphere with a radius of 34 inches is inside the cube, such that the sphere touches the center of each of the face of the cube. Full stop. To the nearest cubic inch, what is the volume of the sphere in the cube? In the cube, not taken up by the sphere. So now, something of this nature, if I have something of this nature, I'll just use a square. But what we are dealing with is a cube. You just draw a square and put a sphere inside it. A cube is the three-dimensional figure of a square. So what that person was saying is, if you have a cube, this is a cube, that means that this is a cube now. We now have a sphere inside such that it's, so this is a cube with a sphere inside it, even though you are seeing a square with a circle inside, but this is a cube with a sphere inside it. The length, each length of this cube now is, they said, is 68. Each length L, and they give the radius of, they give the radius of the, they say the radius of the sphere, they give the radius of the sphere. So the radius of the sphere, the L, 68 is equal to the L each of, then the radius of this sphere now, this one now, the radius of this one now is R, is, or 34 is equal to R. 34 is equal to R. So now they say we should calculate this area that are not touched by this area now. How do we get this area? We get this area by getting the area of the cubed, and we get the area of the sphere. Sorry, not area, volume. We get the volume of the cube, and we get the volume of the sphere. Then we subtract the volume of the sphere from the volume of the cube. That's what we're supposed to do there. How do we get volume of cube? Volume of cube Volume of cube is equal to L raised to the power 3. Length times breadth times height. So this should be equal to 68. 68 raised to the power 3. That's the volume of cubed. Then what is the volume of a sphere? How do you get the volume of a sphere? The volume of a sphere is given by 4 pi r raised to the power 3. 4 over 3 pi r cubed. 4 over 3 pi r cubed. That's the volume of a sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So now we evaluate this. Volume of cube 68 cubed is going to be equal to, when we evaluate 68 cube, what does it give us? 68 cube is what? Multiply it, 68 times 68 times 68. It's going to give us a large number.
$304,000.
304,000, like this.
314,432.
Sorry, you said 300 and what? 14,000.
Yes, 432.
Just call out the numbers one after the other, please.
314,432.
314 4
32.
432. Okay, that's for the cube now. Now, what of the sphere? For the sphere, we have 4/3 times 22/7 times 34 cubed. And that's 34 that was given to us as 34 cubed. So what we'll do here now, is just multiply 4 times 22 times. Okay, just do 34 cubed first. If you do 34 cubed, you multiply it by 22, then multiply it by 4. Then you divide your answer by 21. Then you divide your answer by 21. Just do 34 cubed times 22 times 4. Then you divide your answer by 21. What does it give us?
164.
164.
702.
702.
0.476.
0.476.
76.
That's 0.48. Do you understand?
Yeah.
This is 164,720.48, right?
Yeah.
So now area of the shaded part. Now area of shaded parts. Area of shaded is now going to, sorry, volume, not area, volume. Volume of shaded. So the volume of shaded is going to be equal to 314,432 minus 164,720.48. And this is going to be equal to, what will it give us? What will it give us? Subtract this. 314,432 minus 164,720.48.
One four nine.
149. 149 what?
149,711.52.
711.5. 0.52. So this should be 149,711.2 to the nearest cubic meters. 149,711.2. 149,712. That should be the correct answer. The 149. Do we have any 149,795? 149,795. I think it should be the 796.